that long right now. But when it hits about 5:30, I'll be back out here. So I may do another video on that. I don't know yet. I may do another video on that. I'm not sure. If y'all don't know, this is a bottom one. You use this in the bottom. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. Got a nice little fish there. Pound and a half. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh yeah. Pound, still a little one, like yesterday, but still a pound, so it's a nice fish. One last look. Right there. Right there. Right there. Hope y'all can see it. That's about it. One fish there. 8 or 7 to go. There's one. One down. 7 to go. Okay. Hopefully I can reel them in. I'll get a mini bite. I couldn't finish them all. I'm mad. Really good bait. I love it. Okay. Hopefully we can get a couple more before we go back in. But we'll come back out. Hopefully we can get a couple more before we go in. Charlie. Talking to his dog. Charlie. Hopefully we'll get a couple more. I'm gonna tell my dad taught me, I did this before, it's just you go fast, starting off, and you slow it down. It's a really good technique. The fish run after the bait quicker, and you just slow it down. And then you get bite too. It's not it's about 2 or 3.5 minutes, so it's not like a really good time to fish. Maybe it's one of the worst actually. But about 6, oh yeah, we'll be coming out here catching a bunch. 6, 5:30. Yeah. Best time to fish are early morning, late afternoon. Definitely. But I was like, what the crap? How about we come out here, see if we can catch a couple fish. Yep. Feeling a bite coming. Not this one. Next. This is a good pond to fish at. Definitely for how small it is, where it's located. Man, it's really good. I had a nice fish on the line. Banana tubing. Got off. Hate when that happens. Literally. I told y'all yesterday it's a really cheap pole, see what happens. But you slide it back in. Me and my friends are making this show. I'll tell you in a second. One fish. Not a good fish. Many old fish. Maybe 2 more. 1 or 2. What we got right now? I'm good with the one actually. But it's up to the fish, not me. Oh yeah, I was telling y'all that show. We're gonna make a show. It's gonna be called Kentucky Wildlife Wars. It's gonna be me and a couple of my friends, like competing, see who can catch the most fish, the most turtles. I got one. Oh, come on, William! You gotta reel that in. That's freaking suck. Look at that. That fish was about that long. Probably 7-pound fish right there. Had to have that. You got it. Dang. Come on, William. I gotta stop missing these fish. I gotta get every fish that makes a mistake or going on that line. or hooking themselves on this hook. I catch everyone. It sucks when you miss a fish. You know it too. If you are a fisherman, and you miss a fish, it sucks. Definitely when it's a 7-pound bass. In a little pond like this, it sucks. Totally. It really sucks. Shouldn't have that bad. I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try a new spot over here. I'm just gonna do the same thing. Rolling real slow. See what happens. Feels like I got a little tiny fish on it. I just see it. Oh, I got one. There we go. Some mini fish again. Okay. Still a fish. 1-pound fish. Charlie! You want a fish? It's just a 1-pounder again. I've seen a bunch of these from yesterday and today. There it is. Yeah, that's a nice fish. A good color. Everything but it's lacking. The only thing it's lacking is size. Hopefully I get that one in a couple of weeks. Maybe grow a couple inches. I think this one's supposed to get away. Nope. Just gonna let that baby fly. These bass are really fast. They're good fighters. They fight pretty well. For real, for real. So I got a fish when I cast it over here. I'm gonna try it again. Huh? Oh, you're welcome. I mean, y'all got me a good gift too for my birthday, so. What? It was only, I just told him it was only $70. It was only $70.
$70? That's too much.
Y'all gave me 50, so.
It's okay. That was your birthday. Its birthday is over. I will bring it back.
No, he can keep it. That's his birthday present.
Oh.
For, I just gave it to him early.